Hello everyone. Today, let us learn about swaras in Carnatic music. So, what are swaras? Swaras actually make up the melody part of music. The melody comprises of swaras. They are like the alphabets which construct the music melody. So, in Carnatic music, we have seven swaras, popularly called Sapta swaras, which are Sa, which is Shadjam, Ri, Rishabam, Ga, Gandharam, Ma, Madhyamam, Pa, Panchamam, Da, Daivatam, and Ni, Nishadam. Out of these seven swaras, the Sa, Shadjam, and Pa, Panchamam are called as non-variant swaras or Prakriti swaras. That is, it does not have any variation. That is, in a given pitch, there is only one Sa and only one Pa. Whereas the rest of the swaras, that is Ri, Ga, Ma, Da and Ni, are called variant swaras or Vikriti swaras. That means they admit variations in them. Now each of these Ri, Ga, Ma, Da and Ni admit two variations. Let me draw the Swarasthana graphically for you. So the starting point is going to be Sa Shadjamam. So like I said, it does not have any variation. There is only one Sa. I am just putting a box around it. This Sa is called the Adhara Shadjam. Then we have two variations in Ri, like I mentioned, which is Ri 1 and then we have Ri 2. Then we have two variations in Ga, Ga 1 and Ga 2. Then two variations in Ma, Ma 1, Ma 2. Then we have Pa, which does not have any variation. I'm just marking it like this. Then two variations of Da, Da 1, Da 2. Two variations of Ni, Ni 1 and Ni 2. If you see, like how it is represented in the staircase, the Swarasthana of each swara will be a little higher gradient than the previous swara. These are all called as semitones in English. So, and also all these semitones or swaras will be relative to where I started my Sa. If I start my Sa in pitch G sharp, then according to that Sa, the rest of the swaras fall in place. And likewise, so on. Now, let me demonstrate the sthanam, sing the sthanam of each of these swaras in a pitch G sharp for you. That is my Sa. Then that is my Sa. Then I have Ri 1. Ri 1. Ri 2. Ga 1. Ga 2. Ma 1. Matu Pa Davan Datu Nivan Nitu. So this is how the Swarasthana is. These all swaras have individual names. So let me say the names for you. Re1 Suddha Rishabham, Re2 Chatushruti Rishabham, Ga1 Sadharana Gandharam, Ga2 Antara Gandharam, Ma1 Suddha Madhyamam, Ma2 Prati Madhyamam, Pa Panchamam, Da1 Suddha Daivatam, Da2 Chatushruti Daivatam, Ni1 Kaisiki Nishadam, Ni2 Kakali Nishadam. Now, why only 12 semitones do we have? Why not more? That is because the utmost number of semitones, gradation of semitones that a human ear can identify in a particular pitch is only 12. After these 12 semitones, we will have a higher sa, which is again a harmonic of this sa. That is, the frequency of that sa, higher sa, will be a multiple of the frequency of the sound of this sa, and so on. So these are the utmost possible number of 12 swaras or semitones in a particular pitch. It is also popularly known as Dvadasha Swarasthana in Carnatic music. Dvadasha in Sanskrit means 12. I hope that is interesting for you. Thank you.